Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So tonight we are going to be attempting to stay at a public parking lot, a Metro parking lot here in the suburbs of Chicago, Illinois. So we're actually here in the Chicago area to visit our friend Peter and his company Rover Vans to get a few accessories on the back of the van, which is right over here. We needed a place to stay for the night prior. Could have went and probably stayed like near a shop. Don't know, didn't ask. Kind of wanted to put together an interesting video for you all, seeing if we get a knock tonight or told to move in the middle of the evening. So we parked up right here at the end of this parking lot. You can see it goes all the way around, parking on every side. We had this beautiful little pond, I guess, maybe a lake, but I think it's a pond, and some walking trails. So we're going to go for a walk and check it out. So it's absolutely beautiful, really quiet.
So nice out.
It's like 78 degrees. We got some shade all around us with trees.
Oh, someone's got a kite up over here.
Oh yeah, look at that. Check this out. So sorry the quality is horrible. That's the one thing the DJI Pocket 3 sucks at, is zooming. But you can see there's a kite up there. I think you guys can make it up. It's like right here in the middle. Somebody's enjoying a nice Sunday afternoon, flying their kite. So like I said, we're going to Rover Vans. He's actually about, what, 4 minutes away, probably, not even.
Yeah, not even.
2.5 minutes. So this is a very convenient spot, and we noticed that on Sundays, on the street right here, they do allow parking overnight. No tickets or anything. It says it's open on Sundays. So worst comes to worst, we might bump out onto the street if we need to, but we're gonna attempt some parking lot / street parking in Chicago, and hopefully we are successful. It is our first time, both of us, actually visiting besides just going to the airport. So it's kind of not what we expected. We haven't been to downtown or the south side, but up here in Glenview, it is beautiful, and these are like some really nice neighborhoods and stuff. Very impressed. So here's a map of where we are. So I guess it is technically a lake. Looks more like a pond to me, but they're saying it's Lake Glenview. Here's all the different walking trails. So we're gonna take a walk all the way around, and then we're gonna try to, over on this side, there's actually right there, I guess it's at the bottom, the way they have it oriented. It's over this way, this way to us. But we're gonna go check out a little shopping center plaza mall that's over here. Brittany was pointing out all the flowers are in full bloom. It's really beautiful in this area. And here's the walking trail. And we're kind of just enjoying some cooler weather that you can walk in and not feel like you're melting. Don't mind the sirens, but check out these flowers. They are beautiful. Very nice. So we got a bunch of tennis courts with people playing. It's really nice to see everybody outside. And then right here we got a little workout area. I think I'm gonna get my pump on quick. No way. What the heck?
It's all about the movement.
I thought I was gonna like move the seat and use your own body weight or something. Brittany's checking the Tai Chi wheels out.
What does it do though?
I don't know. I'm confused.
We got closer on the trail, and here is the awesome kite.
Well guys, as you can see, we moved, the van's parked there, and now we're exploring this little mall area. It's pretty cool. We actually found a place we want to go check out for some food, and I think we are going to go watch a movie, and then we'll go back over to our spot for the evening, or maybe on the side of the road right by where we were. Well everybody, we found a spot to eat for the evening.
Look at that.
That is awesome. Let's get closer in on that. There we go. You can see that. Take a look at that. So I got a barbecue dog. So it's got barbecue sauce, of course, tomatoes, mustard, grilled onions, and I believe like a spicy zesty sauce on it. Brittany has...
It's a California BLT burger, I guess, and I added a fried egg to it because it's amazing.
So take a look at this awesome place. It is pretty cool. Brittany got dessert. Has an Oreo shake. So we popped back to the van real quick to check on the cats. They're doing fine, nice and cool. People driving their muscle cars like maniacs. But we are now going to go watch Daredevil and Wolverine right across the street. Gonna walk right over. Pretty cool. So benefits of van life. Well everybody, that movie was pretty awesome. Definitely recommend checking it out.
So good.
So many cameos. Definitely Ryan Reynolds and Hugh Jackman nailed it. But as you can see, it is now dark and we got to get back to our spot that we're going to try to sleep for the night.
A whole whopping 5 minutes away.
Not even. A minute and a half. We might actually switch it up though and park on the street, just because that is the Metro parking. There's no signs anywhere and I'm pretty sure we get away with it. But it's going to start getting packed in probably like between 5 and 6 a.m. for people going to work. So might be a better idea just to park on the street around the corner. So let's go see if we can find that spot. And did we mention how awesome this place is? Like, it is phenomenal shopping district and plaza. Well everybody, don't mind the Max Air fan noise if you can hear it, but we are hunkered down. We went back to the Metro parking lot and we'll see if we can make it through the night without getting a knock. This is non-permit parking. You have to pay, but on Sundays you don't pay. There's no paying on Sundays. And then you're supposed to start paying at 5 a.m. We're going to be out here a little after that, but we'll see. Play by ear. If they put a fine or something on the dash, it is what it is.
No.
Good thing is in a van like this, they can't really tow us. Most tow truck companies know that there's certain ways they're supposed to tow these rigs. So we'll see if we get a knock from a tow driver or a police officer. We can move right to the street, literally right over here. So as you can see, it's a whole big world out there, and we're just chilling here in this Metro parking lot in Glenview, Illinois. We'll let you know if we get a knock, or we'll see you in the morning to let you know how the evening went. Well, good morning everybody. Mission: sleep in a parking lot in Chicago successful. So no knocks, nothing. It was really quiet. There's a group of kids around like 11:30 that pulled in and kind of, I think, you know, just went for a walk around the park or something. But that's it. So can't complain about that.
Bjorn, tell everyone. Tell them. Bjorn says we're gonna go get coffee and then we're gonna go to Rover Vans. So we hope you guys enjoyed coming along overnight with us, and if you did, we hope you'll give this video a big thumbs up. And we'll hope you'll drop a comment below. It really helps us with the YouTube algorithm. And if you haven't already, we hope you'll consider subscribing to our channel and coming along on all of our adventures. We'll see you guys in the next video.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking.